Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you have enjoyed your vacations. Okay. Okay, students. Today is being the first day. So, where are you sitting? Yes, you are sitting in the classroom. Okay. Where have you kept your books? Yes, your books are on the table. Oh, I have brought two markers. Where I kept my marker? Oh, my blue marker is lying under the table. Oh, this is my marker. Okay, and another marker I have kept on the table. So children, just you heard that these words, that is under, on, or in. So these words, what these words are known as? Yes, these words are known as prepositions. And children, while learning the nouns and pronouns, I told you that there are 8 parts of speech and preposition is one of that. So, children, do you know what is the definition of preposition? Yeah, preposition is a word which shows the relation between noun or a pronoun with the other words in a sentence, and other words usually they are the nouns. So preposition, it shows the relation, and from the name itself, preposition, that means pre means before or prior, and the position means the location. So it shows the location of the noun or pronoun in the word, and then it shows also the relation between noun or pronoun with the other words in a sentence. Now there are 3 types of prepositions which we are going to learn, that is preposition of position, preposition of time, and preposition of direction. So today we are going to learn about preposition of location or the position, and that different, for the different purpose we use different prepositions. For example, to show a specific space or to a specific place, we use which preposition? At. For example, I am waiting at the railway station. That means specific point. You want to show that specific point where you are waiting. So for that you use at. Or the postman is standing at the door. So it shows that the exact point or exact position where the postman is standing. So to show the exact point, we use which preposition? At. The next preposition is in. When we use the in preposition, we use in preposition to show the exact position of the, that means in enclosed area. For example, the children are sitting in the classroom. That means the children's position, it is exactly in the classroom. That is, classroom is enclosed from all the side. Or the children are playing in the park. So park is enclosed, and that is for enclosed area. We use which preposition? In preposition. Now, the next preposition is on. And so, for example, this marker, the marker is kept on this book. So that means when we use that on preposition to show the exact, that is the, when it is touching the surface. Now this marker, it is a noun, and the book is also a noun. And this marker, it touches the surface of the book, and so we use the preposition on. So everyone understood? Just you told children that our books are kept on the desk. That means your books are touching the desk, and when it is touching the surface, then we use which preposition? On preposition is used. And if you want to tell about higher than a position, for that means higher position, you want to say about the higher position and it is not touching. But if you want to say the exact position of this marker, suppose this is the book and this is the exact position, then you can say that marker is above the notebook. Okay, so it is where it is? Above the notebook. That means exact position. And if you want to tell about the general position, then it is over the notebook. So everyone understood when means for the higher position, where which prepositions we use? Sorry, above, over, or on. So on, when we use, when it touches the surface, we use on. Above is for the specific, that is you want to show the specific that position, we use above. And if you want to tell about the general position, then it is over. So everyone understood when to use on, above and over. In the same way for a lower point, if we will talk about a lower point, we can use that is the under. Under means we don't know the exact position where it is, this marker under at any position. If I can say that the marker is under the book, but if I want to say about that exact position, for example, now exact position is there, then I can say that it is below the book. Okay, for example, under, we sat under the tree and we ate our lunch. So here we don't know exactly in which direction of the tree you are sitting. Okay, so there is shadow and you are sitting, so you can say that under. But if I will say Mr. Singh lives below my flat, so I know the exact position of Mr. Singh's flat. When you know the exact position, then you can use the word below. And if you don't know the exact position, then which word you will use? Under. So everyone understood lower than a point, which word you have to use? Yes, good. Now, if you want to say about the nearby point, if suppose nearby point, for example, she lives near the school, that means near somewhere she is living, or the post box is kept opposite of the school, so that means where is the that nearby opposite it is kept, that is opposite direction it is kept, so then we can say that means it is opposite. Or now this white wall is there, so this wall is behind me, where is the wall? It is behind me. Or the computer or the laptop, it is kept in front of me, so that laptop is where is the laptop, its position, it is in front of me. Or a gulmohar tree grows up beside my house, so beside means where, nearby only. So these words, that is next to, behind, these are the, it shows the closer point, that is nearby, you are somewhere, the location is nearby, so it is used as the prepositions. These prepositions we use there. And children, there is another preposition very important, that is the between and among. For example, when we use between, when we means talk about the two or three things. For example, this is two books are there, and I kept the marker between the these two books. Okay, where I kept the marker? I kept the marker between two books. That is the two relation between two books, and the marker is shown here. But if I will say that means I find my book under, find my book among the among my clothes. That means there are many more than two things are there, and then means we use which preposition we use? Among. For example, the teacher is standing among the students. Among means what? More students are there. Hmm? And if suppose Rahul is sitting between Ishan and Ishita, so that means two children are there and between Rahul is sitting. Or the boys are standing between two buildings. So between, when we use between, when we are talking about two things. And if more than two things are there, then we use which preposition? Among. So children, everyone understood that the preposition of position, there are many preposition of means we use many words to show that preposition of position. For example, at, in, on, over, above, under, below, next to, between, among, etc. So these words, when to use this word, everyone understood it properly. Okay. So in the next lesson, we are going to learn about the preposition of time. Thank you.